Hey besties! I always have so much fun showing you how I do my clients' nails, but today I'm going to show you how I do my very own nails. Let's get started. I went ahead and took off my previous acrylic set, and I've already prepped my nails, so I'm just going to go ahead and start sizing my fingers for the tips. When you do this, it's really important to make sure that your tips fit really snug from one side to the other. I want it to fit perfectly so that I don't have any lifting or gaps. I'm going to grab my nail glue and just apply a small little drop right at the tip. Then I'm going to hold it on my nail until it's real nice and secure. Now it's time for my shape. I'm going to trim them just a little bit with my scissors to get the length that I want. I like them pretty long. I have a pro tip for you that helps me to make my nails look on point. In order to make this C curve more pronounced, I just pinch the sides of the tip a few times. This will make my nails look like they were sculpted with a form instead of just gluing a tip. Now if you try this out, be sure to do this before cutting the edges of the tip to your desired shape. This will give you more room to work with. See? Look at the difference between these curves. Bomb, right? Now I'm going to start cutting the shape of my nail. Today I'm just going to taper the sides just a little. Then I'll perfect it with filing. So tell me, what's your favorite shape to rock? Since I'm doing my own nails, I position my hand differently than I would with my clients. I like to adjust how I'm holding my hand as I go along. Basically, I just find whatever feels more comfortable for myself while still letting me get a good view of my nail. If you're working on your own nails, just get comfy. I'm always leaving my e-file at work, so today I'm just going to grab my 100 grit hand file instead of my drill. I'm going to use it just to take off the shine. Now today I'm going to use the dip system. So let me grab my bond and I'm going to apply that to my natural nail just to dehydrate my nail plate. Then I'm going to apply base right at the ledge of the tip just to start building my structure. And I'm dipping right into my natural powder here. Next, I'm going to apply my base to 3/4 of my nail and dip right into my natural. Now I'm going to grab my petal dust. I love this soft pink color, especially for spring. I'm applying my base a hairline away from my cuticle and dipping straight into my color. This is done so that I don't have a big bulky edge right at my cuticle. No one likes that. And now this time I will apply the base to the entire nail and dip straight into my color for the last time. Something that is really important to do after every step is to lightly brush off the powder. This will prevent me from contaminating my powders and help me to achieve a clean application. Plus, it's always fun watching this super lightweight powder fly away. Now I'll grab my recycling system. I always use this when it's time for the clear powder because I don't want to get any of these colored pigments into my clear. Some of my favorite colors are so bright and pigmented that my clear would not be clear anymore if I dipped right into it. And I don't want to waste any of my product. Now that I have my recycling system, I'm going to apply the base one more time to my entire nail, and then from here, I am just going to pour my clear over my entire nail. Now, since the excess powder has been caught by my second scoop of my recycling system, I will just grab it and pour onto my next nail. Next, it's time for Seal Protect. I'm going to apply this all over my nail real good so that it'll activate and harden to get ready to file and buff. Okay, now that it's nice and ready, I'm going to go ahead and grab my file and perfect my shape. I'm going back in with my buffer to make sure my nail is nice and smooth. I'm going to grab a lint-free wipe with alcohol just to clean off the excess dust. Next, another coat of Seal Protect. This step is important to finish activating the top coat for my nail. It only needs a little bit, so after applying, I'm going to get a dry lint-free wipe to wipe off the excess. I want to make sure it's in there really good. And now I'm ready for my top coat. Now this top coat I'm going to apply twice. The first time it's going to dry kind of matte, and that's good. It lets me know it's working. And you'll see with the second coat, it's going to leave a smooth, shiny surface that I just love. And it dries almost instantly. Last but not least, I'm going to finish off by giving my cuticles a little love with some Nourish oil. This leaves my cuticles feeling so nourished and healthy. Alright besties, that's it. I'm done with my nice simple dip mani. Thanks for hanging out with me today. As always, if you have not done so already, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the bell to be notified when we have new videos to share with you. See you next time. Bye!